that Pikachu in there. You could buy the whole thing for $3 though. So that's some cool little...
I don't want Magic Mickey.
Is this the one to click it? Oh my god, it is.
What does he do?
If you put berries in, you go Pika Pika.
Wanna catch a real live Pikachu? With this new electronic Pikachu, you can command Pika power like never before.
Just buy the whole bag for $3.
And then donate everything back?
Yeah, you want the Pikachu? Write it. What about that one?
Oh my god, what's wrong with its hair?
I don't know, it's disgusting.
I mean, do you think they came in together?
Yes. We have those.
I
I don't
don't.
know what that. That's really funny.
I'm
You
the
playing the song.
I'm the piano man.
I'm out of here.
Take the wheel.
Ew.
Take the wheel. Are you Jesus? Because you should take the wheel.
Feel those triggers.
What the heck? It feels so clunky. It's like one of those old PC controllers you had for like, you know, I had like 2 of them at least. I'd love to just rip the buttons off. What is that? Oh, it's probably a steamer, right? Let me see. Let me see, for like steaming your clothes? Oh, heck yeah. That's cool. Except for I wouldn't want to buy a secondhand steamer. What are you digging out of there?
Ew. Where
Is
is
that a
it?
Walkman? Mega.
You want to listen to Mega English?
Stop.
I don't want this. Oh, it's so good. Look at this.
Oh,
I kind of want this. It's really cool. I already got one though.
it's pretty nice looking.
Yeah, mine's nice and compact. This is cool though.
That's cool.
Sometimes they sneak PS1 games in here. Probably not though.
What's
Wait, hold on.
this?
You found a video game.
I
Monster
did.
Truck Rumble. I think this is the really, really bad. This looks terrible. Wait, hold on. I have a sixth sense for these kind of things.
Well, I thought Monster Truck Rumble wasn't a song, so.
There you go. Look at that.
Oh my god. Put that back. Let's see how my sixth sense is. I mean, mine already worked. What's this?
You found a game. Clifford.
Well, it's a game, but it's an educational one.
And a year's supply of tummy yummies.
Is Clifford a kaiju?
Oh my god. Wait a second. Just wait 1 second. Nope, not that one. You want both of these, fine.
Oh my god. No. Turn it off. Turn it off. Alright, you ready?
Alright, turn it back on.
My,
Whatever.
my eyes are closed. You ready?
No.
Something is telling me to reach for here. Look at that.
Jeez.
I told you I have a sixth sense of these kind of
I
things.
didn't know people were allowed to donate garbage.
Oh wow.
What is this? Doesn't get more Floridian than this, guys. Sounds of the Everglades.
Is alligator biting your arm off?
Yeah, pretty much. It's probably some kind of like cooking instrument or decoration. Oh.
It's like a coffee grinder.
Oh, that looks nasty.
That's gross. Ew.